Alright, we have a 2013 BMW 128i, and if you're interested in how to program the garage door buttons, which is underneath your rear view mirror, also take note there's a tiny little LED light right there, and it's kind of hard to see, especially if you have bright sunlight shining on it. So it helps to be able to see this either parked in the garage or in the shade at least, because it's hard to see. Anyway, first you need to erase all existing codes. So turn the car on, just put it in the on position, and then hold buttons 1 and 3 for almost 20 seconds, and you'll finally see the little tiny LED start flashing when all codes have been erased. Okay, then take your existing garage door opener remote and simultaneously, whichever button you want to assign to a particular garage door, like say if you want to use number 1, you will push the remote button and the button on the mirror at the same time and just hold them in for a few seconds until you see the tiny little LED start flashing. And that should do it for you. And then if you want to do another button for another garage door, you'd repeat the same thing. Just hold that button in as well as holding the remote, and put the remote really close to the buttons as well. Physically put it close to it. And that's all there is to it. Yeah, this is a adorable 2013 128i we just got for one of our children. And I paid a nice, very nice bargain price for it. Runs excellent, awesome condition. Always serviced at BMW dealerships, so it's totally awesome. So look, we might do other videos about this car in the future, but we have tons of other videos on our channel, so take a look at our more than 1,500 other videos that might help you out. So that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.